I don't know why I popped the signal on. But
Alright, mate.
I figured that's get off roundabout time.
About the bus coming the other way at that last roundabout?
Yeah, I did, but I thought that we had time to go before it would have cut.
I agree, I thought you were fine with it, mate, but just
Yeah.
don't forget that buses are allowed to cut the roundabout.
Because of the size and that's a small roundabout.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that also has to be as a part of your decision when you're deciding to do what you did.
Right, of course.
It's a very, very unusual situation, that. But it was definitely one that needs to be discussed on seeing what we've just seen. Alright, the bus had been there another 2 seconds. I would have been telling you to hold back and wait.
Yeah,
alright,
that's fair.
So, but you were fine, mate. It was a good one.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I didn't know that buses were allowed to cut that.
Yeah, they are, because the size of them, they obviously can't go round, so that has to be taken into consideration if you're ever in that situation with the bus. Alright.
Luckily enough, I had the same situation literally a few weeks later. I am driving my new car, but let's have a look to see what happens when I haven't got enough time to clear.